Welcome to the Urban Survivor channel, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at Levergear's three most popular everyday carry products. There's the BitVault, which is a compact EDC container and bit driver combo. There's the Toolcard, which is a credit card sized multi-tool with 40 different tools. And finally the Cablekit, which is a keychain sized USB cable and adapter combo. If you're looking to add some innovative new everyday carry products to your carry, these are definitely worth looking at. Before we get started, I wanted to thank Levergear who sent these out to the channel for review. They're based in Greenville, South Carolina, and they make a handful of different beautifully crafted EDC items. If you want to learn more about them, I'll put a link in the description below, and you can use the code URBANSURVIVOR and you'll get 10% off. Also, I did more in-depth reviews about each of these items, so if you want to learn more, there's a link in the description below to those as well. First, we're going to be taking a quick look at the BitVault, which has slots for 1/4 inch hex bits and also a storage container on the inside, which can be used to store a variety of small different items, including bits, pills, USB adapters, memory cards, and other small EDC items. The container is waterproof, and its flat design provides a surprisingly large amount of storage space and is comfortable to carry in your pocket. If you're looking at a way to store and organize small items in your pocket, then this is one of the best solutions that I found, and it actually is not too bad of a bit driver either. Next, we have the Toolcard, which is a multi-tool money clip combo. You can keep the money clip attached and use it to hold some cards and cash, or you can easily remove the clip and slide it into your wallet. The Toolcard itself is one of the best designed credit card sized multi-tools that I've seen, and it comes with a few different measuring capabilities, Phillips and flathead drivers, a pry bar, a box cutter, bottle opener and can opener, wrenches, and more. If you're looking to carry around a credit card sized multi-tool, this is definitely one to consider. Here we have a cable kit, which is a small USB cable, and you can easily carry it on your keychain. You can use it to charge USB devices, transfer data, and more. Inside, there's a small USB-C adapter, which I use to charge my phone, but you can also get this as a lightning cable. Inside, there's even room to store a few micro SD cards, and there's even a SIM card removal tool tucked in the back. This is a great option if you're looking to add a USB cable to your keychain or EDC. Let me know which of these items from Levergear is your favorite in the comments below, and if you want to check out the Levergear website, you can find a link and the coupon code in the description. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and make sure you're subscribed to the Urban Survivor channel for more videos like this one.